The kingdom of smiles never ceases to amaze. After meeting Guardian Smile and discovering hidden secrets, Tino feels more and more prepared for new adventures. But now, a new mission arises: to cross the Enchanted Brushing River, a magical place where every wave teaches something about taking care of teeth. Will Tino be able to overcome the river's challenges and uncover its sparkling secrets? Get ready to dive into this adventure full of magic, courage, and fun lessons about oral health. Tino was playing with the items from the magic chest when Fairy Luma appeared. "Today, Tino, you'll go on a very special journey," she said with a smile. "The Enchanted Brushing River is waiting for you." Tino's eyes lit up. A magic river. What will I find there? Foamy waves, floating toothbrushes, and challenges that only a curious little tooth like you can face, explained the fairy. When Tino reached the riverbank, he was amazed. The river seemed made of sparkling foam, with waters full of shining bubbles and little boats shaped like toothbrushes. "Wow," said Tino, his eyes glowing. "Every detail here looks magical." Guardian Smile appeared to join him. "This river teaches us the importance of brushing teeth calmly and carefully," he explained. "Let's go together." Tino stepped into a toothbrush boat and quickly noticed the waves starting to move. They were shaped like smiling teeth, swaying from side to side. "To get through, you must learn the correct brushing motion," said Smile. Tino held a magic toothbrush and began to imitate the waves, up, down, gentle circles. With each movement, the waves calmed and the boat moved forward. Suddenly, Sweetie and Plack appeared on a raft made of sugar. "Haha, let's sweeten this river and ruin Tino's journey," shouted Sweetie. Plack threw pieces of crystallized sugar into the water, trying to block the path. But Tino took a deep breath and remembered Luma's lessons. "Brushing always beats sugar," he said, using his magic toothbrush to create a foamy wave that pushed the villains away. Farther ahead, the boat stopped in front of a big bridge made of shining threads. "This is the Floss Bridge," explained Luma. "Only those who know how to use floss gently can cross." Tino grabbed a magic floss and began cleaning the spaces between crystal teeth that formed the bridge. Every time he passed the floss carefully, the bridge lit up, opening the way forward. "This is fun," said Tino proudly. "Now I understand why flossing is so important." At the end of the river, Tino found a small island glowing with starlight. There he saw a giant smiling clock. "This is the island of night brushing," explained Smile. "It reminds everyone that brushing before bedtime is essential to protect your smile." Tino picked up his magic toothbrush and repeated the movements he had learned along the river. Suddenly, the island shone brightly, and a new energy filled the little tooth. "I'm ready to face any challenge," he said, smiling. With courage and dedication, Tino crossed the entire Enchanted River. He learned that brushing teeth in a fun and correct way was like sailing through magical waters full of discoveries. Sweetie and Plack, defeated, drifted away, promising to return, but Tino knew he was more prepared than ever. The river had revealed important secrets, but the Kingdom of Smiles still held many mysteries. On the horizon, Tino saw a golden light coming from a magical forest. Don't miss Episode 8, The Forest of Golden Teeth.